Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a grid in Krita. Grids are incredibly useful for achieving precision and consistency in your artwork. First, let's get the basic grid set up. You will go to the View menu and simply select Show Grid. This will immediately display a default grid on your canvas. Then, to customize it, head over to Settings, then Dockers, and finally open the Grids and Guides docker. Now that your grid is visible, let's dive into customizing its appearance to suit your needs. Within the Grids and Guides docker, you can easily change the color of your grid lines, making them stand out or blend in. You can also adjust their thickness. Crucially, you can set the exact horizontal and vertical spacing for your main grid lines, perhaps to 25 pixels, and then specify how many smaller subdivisions appear within each major square, maybe 4 subdivisions. Beyond basic customization, Krita offers advanced grid features to enhance your workflow. One powerful option is Snap to Grid, which automatically aligns your brush strokes or selections to the nearest grid line, ensuring incredible precision. You can also explore different grid types, such as isometric or diagonal grids for technical drawings. For perspective, use the Assistant tool to create vanishing points and custom perspective grids, which are invaluable for architectural scenes or complex compositions. Mastering grids can significantly improve the quality and efficiency of your digital art. They are invaluable for maintaining consistent sizing, perfect alignment, and balanced compositions across your canvas. Remember to combine your grid usage with Krita's rulers and 2-point guides for even greater accuracy in your designs. With a little practice, integrating grids into your daily workflow will become second nature, helping you achieve professional-looking results every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.